What is up, guys? Today we got something, I think my favorite overlanding equipment. It is a Smittybilt awning. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing because it just came in yesterday. This knife is not sharp.
Remember, he doesn't like safety.
Alright, here it is.
Oh shoot, it's a legit awning.
It was on sale on Amazon. I mean, it was cheap.
How much was this?
115.
What was the original price tag?
145. But yeah, this is an awning. It's pretty simple to install. I believe you can just use a couple of hose clamps.
What's the dimension?
6.5 feet by 8.5 feet, I believe.
So 6.5 by 8.5.
It's a smaller one.
What's that?
This is, I don't know. We'll see. We're unboxing right now. I'm out of breath. Let's see what's it come with. Instructions? Can't do that.
Remember, always throw your instruction away, kids.
Stakes.
What do you need stake? Oh, for the side
Strings. And U-clamps. Oh, U-clamps. Okay. And nuts and bolts. Oh, this shit looks like a pain in the ass. I don't know what this is for.
Dude, I thought you said it was simple.
It is simple. Alright, so let's figure it out. Alright, so when you first open it up, you want to take out these L brackets, which are hidden on the side in here. And then you want to slide, no, not that many bolts, dude. Only 4.
Make sure.
Yeah, so just like this. These 2. So you want to slide 4 bolts in. We put 1 too many, or 2 too many. So it's a little hard to slide in, but you gotta slide it in. Not too difficult. And then once you have 4 bolts in, you want to get your L bracket and put it on like this. Try to straighten it out. There you go. And yeah, then we'll kind of lightly bolt these in and go from there. Right, so actually, it is the smaller ones that you slide in, and then you get the L brackets, attach it, and yeah, I'm gonna make sure it's the right way first. So this is how the brackets are supposed to sit. Literally slide 2 bolts in here, have the L bracket come out. Same thing for that side, and you want to leave it kind of loose. So we'll tighten it down so it doesn't move too much, and then we'll show you how to mount it on top of the stock roof rack. With these awnings, the roof racks are really wide. A lot of people do them with their stock roof rack. So we'll show you in a second what to do with these hose clamps, but I have these to go in here as a safety precaution, so the awning doesn't slide out when you drive. So we'll just put this in here real quick, and I'll tighten it up, and we'll show you how to mount it. All the extra bolts we have.
Well, goddamn!
So we're taking out these hose clamps all the way. We need to wrap it around the roof bars, roof rack bars. There's one. All my tools are greasy. It's kind of annoying.
So we kind of had grease all over our hands and touching and stuff.
That's a mess. Alright, so we got these hose clamps. Oh, it's gonna be a little windy, but and now you just, can you hold it up for me? Hey,
What?
hold it down so it doesn't move. No, yeah.
Oh my god, something to grab and flip.
Is recorded on 2 separate tracks, one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orbit, as heard from those positions. Now, When played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
So we just finished tightening up the hose clamp onto the railing bar. It's pretty secure now. See how handy this block nut is. Keep this from sliding off. Pretty sturdy. And then we're gonna put an additional one right here, another one right there for extra protection. So we got this on. We moved it from the passenger side to the driver's side because refugee boy didn't like it on the driver's side, so we got it on the passenger side, so we got it on the driver's side. This is all tightened up now, all the hose clamps and whatnot, so the trunk opens, good clearance. The tire table will fit underneath the awning and covers it. Yeah, we're good to go.
So this is the setup now. We got the tool, cargo rack,
Set it up and go.
and the Smittybilt. We'll do a setup in another video, our next video, so stay tuned, right?
Stay tuned. Got
It's so hot, it's too windy, the audio's not gonna be good.
So all I need is like an awning, basically saves lives. Got a grill, tent, cooler, tabletop, put your beer. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Under the shade is like what? Minus 10 degrees less than actually out in the
Today
sun.
is like 81, and right now it feels like 75 maybe.
Underneath the shade.
Where's my driveway?
Oh yeah, we're in the driveway.